All right.
Ready to start? Right.
Ready
Okay.
to go? Yep. Cool. I'm going to teach you a new scale today.
Okay.
It's going to be E Harmonic Minor.
Yeah, one.
There it goes, up there.
Yep.
So, looking at that, we've got what in the key signature?
It looks like it's an F that's sharp.
Cool. That's right. And because it's a harmonic minor, it has the seventh note raised to semitone. So what is your seventh note in there? Just sort of looking at the music along the way.
It's a D.
It's a D. Cool. It's a D sharp. So you've got F sharp in the key signature. D sharp is your raised seventh.
Right. Okay. So two black notes.
Two black notes.
Right.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Okay. Let's check out your right hand first. Just do one octave.
Right. Okay. So we'll start with E then, right?
Mm-hmm. So think of the black keys you want first off.
Right?
Yep.
Oh, okay. The E keys. Okay. Right.
So
that one.
That one. Yep.
And what was the other one?
D sharp.
D sharp. Which is that one, isn't it?
That one. Yeah. Or if you're heading up.
Yeah. Well, if you're heading up, it'll be that one.
Same one. Yeah. Good. Okay. So I was going to do what you did before and say your black keys are the ones either side of your E, which might be an easy way to remember it.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Yep.
Yeah. So you play it straight after your E and you play it just before your E. Things like that.
Actually, I was going to ask if there's a sort of a general set of rules or something for remembering these, because I'm having to, when I'm practicing, I'm having to go to this and read the music every time. I mean, like, you tell me, it's a G minor scale, right? So I know, okay, it starts with G, right? But what notes do I play? And so I have to go and figure it out every time.
Key signature, don't you? You have to remember the key signature.
Yeah, but I don't remember the key signature. Are you meant to remember the key signature?
Yeah.
Right. So I'm meant to have a visual picture of the key signature when I'm thinking about a scale.
Yes. Yes and no. Like, for instance, if I think of D major, I map out in my head that I know it's got F sharp and C sharp, because I just know D major's got those two sharps. I think, right, so it's going to have F sharp and it's going to have C sharp.
But how do you know that?
How do I know that?
Because I can map it out if I know what they are, but I just don't know what they are.
Right.
So is that 25 years of experience, or is there a trick to that, or what?
Let's go there. Sure. So you've asked.
Oh, this sounds like a bad move.
Yeah. Okay. Think of what we call the cycle of fifths. Okay. Easiest way to think of it. In fact, I'll put the overhead camera on. And that. Okay. So, put really simply, we start with C major.
Yep.
Nothing in the key signature.
Yep.
We go up what we call a perfect fifth.
Okay, so is it 5 keys? Yeah, okay. Yep.
It's not 5 keys as such.
Not 5 white keys.
Not necessarily.
Okay.
Think of 7 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Contained in the perfect fifth. You'll see what I mean later.
All right, yeah.
Okay. But for our purposes, it's mostly the white keys as we're going up. So, C major with nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, upper perfect fifth. G major. 1 sharp, which is F sharp. That is the first sharp that will always come in the key signature.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So if a key signature's got a sharp in it,
if a key signature has 1 sharp in it,
or any sharps in it, one of them will always be an F. Is that what you're saying?
yes.
Right.
Yep.
Okay.
Right, go up another perfect fifth.
It's a D.
D major.
Right.
2 sharps. F sharp and C sharp. C sharp's the next one that comes in the order of your sharps in the key signature.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go up another perfect fifth.
Just so I'm clear though.
Yep.
So does that mean that if the key signature has any sharps in it at all, one of them is an F.
Mm-hmm.
If a key signature has 2 or more sharps in it, then there will always be an F and a C sharp in it.
Correct.
Right, okay.
Yep.
Yep.
Cumulative, if you like.
Right,
Yep.
okay. But the C sharp's never replaced with a D sharp. It's an F and a D sharp. It's always a... If there's two or more sharps in it,
two or more
one of
sharps,
them's always an F and one's always a C.
F sharp will always come first in the key signature. C sharp, written on the music. C sharp comes second.
Oh, you mean like an order left
Yeah,
to
an
right?
order,
Like,
an
oh,
order
I see
up
what you're
there.
saying. Right,
Yep.
okay, right, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Cool. So we're up to A.
Yeah.
3 sharps. F sharp.
C sharp.
C sharp. G sharp.
Okay.
Okay. Upper perfect fifth. Straight down there. 4 sharps. F sharp. C sharp. G sharp. D sharp's the next one. I'll get to how to remember the sharps in a minute.
Okay.
We'll just do sharp. No, actually, we'll do sharps and flats.
How do you remember the C?
Perfect fifth. 7 semitones.
Yeah. But if I'm having to do it without having to look at the keys, so that's a C, that's a G. So how do you remember C, G,
Perfect fifth.
D? How do you remember the order of C, G, D, and then?
Perfect fifth. Perfect fifth up is G. Perfect fifth up is D.
Okay.
Perfect fifth up, A. Perfect fifth up, E.
Okay.
Bear with me.
All right. So I just need to remember the order of these things, right? Okay.
Yep.
Cool. Yep.
Yep. Okay. So B there. 5 sharps. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, A sharp.
Okay.
Okay. For the moment, let's just, because we're just dealing with the white keys.
Yes,
So we-
that's the B. And it was an A. Right.
Yep.
Is there any relation to the sharp and the key, the fifth key? Because that was a B and it was an A sharp, and I'm pretty sure that the G was an F sharp, wasn't it? Which is one before the letter as well.
Very good. That's the shorthand way of remembering them.
Right.
Yep. I'll show you the other way as well, but
Right.
absolutely right. We're dealing with major scales. The last sharp in the key signature is right below the home note. So as you worked out,
Right.
G major has F sharp.
Yeah.
Boom. D major has F sharp and C sharp. Boom. A major has F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. Boom.
Yeah.
Yep, that's right. E major, F sharp, C sharp,
It's
G
going to
sharp,
be a D.
G sharp.
D sharp. Yeah.
Correct. Yep. Cool.
Okay. Cool.
So we're just dealing with that
Yep.
at the moment.
Spot patterns, you see.
Yes. Now, this is how I used to remember the order of sharps. Okay. Because when I was little, we had a cat called Fred.
Yep.
So, Fred, cat, goes down and eats birds.
Fred cat goes down and eats birds.
Yep.
Okay.
Fred, cat goes down. And Father Charles goes down and ends battles is another one.
That doesn't make any sense.
Well, whatever one you want.
Fred cat goes and goes. Fred cat goes down and eats birds.
Yep.
Right.
Cool.
Right. Yep.
Okay. All right. Now, if I go one step further, just to show you that it's not always white keys that it goes to. Right. We got to B, which had 5 sharps.
Yep.
Yep. Now, my next one in my cycle of fifths, my perfect fifth, is not. I'm not going to F. Because if you think about it, F major has a B flat. I'll get to the flats in a minute. Okay, so my 7 semitones for my perfect fifth takes me to F sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Takes me up to there. Okay. And then if I went 7 semitones again, that would take me up to C sharp, which is 7 sharps. Normally have stuff written in C sharp major. It's normally D flat major, because it's the N harmonic equivalent.
Okay.
Let's
Yeah.
So we'll just small.
Okay, I
small
can handle Fred goes down the garden to eat birds.
Fred cat goes down and eats birds.
Yeah, Fred cat goes down and eats birds.
And eats birds. Yep, Fred cat goes down and eats birds.
Right,
Cool.
okay.
So.
Yep.
if I go E major, you go, okay. Oh, I know. Second to last.
Fred cat goes down and eats. So it's the second to last one. I know that it's going to have an E. So it's the eats. So it's going to be D sharp.
Very good. Yep.
And it's going to be so Fred.
Fred.
Then the next Fred cat. So it's going to be B sharp for the.
Hey, hang on. Just do, because we do your Fred cat trick. Stop when you get to D.
Fred cat goes down. Yeah.
Stop.
Why did I stop it there?
Because that's the second to last. That is, we worked out that the D sharp right before the E, the D sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4, is the number you have in the key. That's the shorthand way of working it out. So if
goes down and eats
birds.
D, right? So D, E is the major scale.
Yep.
So I go back one, and D sharp is the last sharp that's in it.
Correct.
So how do we get to the 4?
Well, start at the start. Fred cat goes down.
Fred cat goes down. Okay, I'm missing something between that connection there.
Okay. So let's take it back to D major.
Right.
All right, so we go D major. Okay. We know that it's, so this is your quick way of working it out.
D major means it's C sharp.
D major means it's got
C sharp in it.
a C sharp. Yep.
C sharp's always the second
And
sharp on the key signature, if there's one.
Correct. And C sharp, because it's right below the tonic, the home note, we know that is for your major scales. We know that's the last one. For your sharp major scales, I should say, to be really precise.
Oh, isn't the last note you play, you mean?
So that's the second to last note. Yep.
So if I'm playing a D major scale, I'm going to
So if it's got C sharp,
something like that.
yep. And if
Probably
it's,
missed one down there.
you
but
did. If it's got a C sharp, it's got
Also
to
have
have
an
F
F
sharp.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Okay. So, yep. All right. Yeah.
All right. So if it's A major, that's the last sharp.
Sharp would be
And the key
G sharp.
G sharp. Yep. So that's the last sharp in the key signature.
Fred
Cat
cat goes.
goes.
Third. Okay. Right.
Yep.
Okay.
So it's got to have
C, F, C, and G.
F, C, and G. Yep.
For A major.
A
is that
major.
Right?
Yep.
Right.
Yep. So we're doing the shorthand way of working that out. That works for the sharp key major scales.
Okay.
Okay. It's different for the flat key major scales.
Right. Still, it's good. There's a rule.
Still, but there's a
there's
a nice quick way of working it out.
Well, not that quick, but,
Well,
but I'll get there in the end.
It will be. It will be.
Yep. This is better than memorising them all.
Well, you will actually start to memorise them once you get all that pattern going.
Okay.
Because you think E major, right? Fred cat goes down 4 sharps. Boom. Yeah, you know that. So E major.
Yeah. Last one before.
Last one's D sharp.
D sharp. Yeah.
Or the white key major scales.
Mm-hmm.
They contain sharps in the key signature.
Yeah. I can work with the limitations. At the moment. Yeah.
Yep. Do you want me to go down the flats or save
No.
it for next week?
Let's let that one sink in.
Let's let
Yep.
that one sink in. Yep.
All right.
Yep. We can do the flats next time.
I'll have to think about that, and I'll monitor it as I'm practicing my scales and see if I can figure it out. So yeah.
Okay. Yep.
Fred cat goes down and eats birds. Yep.
And it's to do with the cycle of fifths. Right. So nothing in the key signature. 1 sharp, 2 sharps, 3 sharps, 4 sharps, 5 sharps. I'm just going to take it down an octave. 6 sharps, 7 sharps. You can hear that interval is the same. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, it gets slightly harder to work out where you deviate from all the white keys. So as I said, the B up to the, not F, because F major's got a B flat. This is F sharp major, but we haven't dealt with, you're getting into territory ahead of probably where I want to take you at this point.
Right. Is this all theory, is it?
Yep.
Right, okay. All right, I'm not doing theory, so...
Well, you
just
are.
doing
You're
theory,
doing
right?
it every time you read something,
Right, okay.
every time you learn a new piece, every time you do a scale, every time you ask a question, and I bombard you and go, right, you started it, let's go for it. Yep, that is all theory.
All right, okay.
Yeehaw!
Right.
Okay, so...
I'm simulating theory then.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So, yes, Fred Cat goes down and eats birds.
Right, yep.
Remember that. Cycle of fifths. Boom, 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 boom. Excellent.
Mm-hmm.
Did you ask me that just because you didn't want to learn E Harmonic Minor?
Well, no, not really.
No. Got more than you're bugging for.
No, it's been a problem because I'm having to go back and read these every time. And I'm thinking, well, you don't read them every time you play them, so there must be some trick to getting to the point where
you practice them so much that you just know them.
Right.
Yep.
Okay.
I mean, you know C major's got nothing. You don't have to think
well, C
about
major's easy. That's a good one. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you probably know G major's got one black key.
No.
Don't you?
No. No, I'd have to G major, so I'd have to something went wrong about there.
Okay.
There you
so
go.
You could hear it. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's a good start.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Be even better start if you knew G had F sharp.
So this is the way my practice works. It's okay. What scale am I doing? Oh yeah, this sounds a bit wrong. Oh, maybe I need to read the music.
Yes. Remember, I've got those scale pages that's got the key signature notes highlighted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I use.
Good. Okay. Okay. Well, let's do E harmonic minor then.
Okay. All right. Okay. So here, E harmonic minor. Right.
Now
so
we worked out that it had the black keys.
Oh, that's right. You said, okay. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. Right.
Cool.
Well, that should be fairly easy then.
That should be fairly easy.
So E. So there's something to that, right? So it's going to be.
That's right. That's right. Yep. And, aim to keep it nice and even. The trick is, and you didn't do it, which was good, but a lot of people will go thumb under there, one too soon, and then they go, oops. Yeah. And you didn't, which was good. You want to make sure you go 1, 2, 3. It's the usual C major fingering pattern. Then your thumb, and then gets you up to there.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. Cool. Let's try it in your left hand.
So E again, right? So it's
Good. Yep. Yep. Cool.
all right.
Okay.
Done.
Yes. You never have to practice it again. It's done. Right. I took my clock away for no apparent reason, so I was all right, just checking the time. That's okay. Cool. All right. Let's do a little bit of pedal revision.
Right.
I'm sounding pretty good through the week, actually. So.
Yeah, so I came together sort of last day or so.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you just want me to do what I'm doing? Or?
I'm going to put the pedal cam on. Huzzah. Let's do that. And let's do that. All right. Yes. Go for it. Let's do your
I've got a problem with the knee in here, see? It's quite a tight fit.
Okay. All right. So we're possibly going to have to put the stool down a smidgen. Because you certainly, I don't think you want to be sitting further away.
Well, yeah.
Because otherwise you're going to be playing like that.
It's a tight fit under there anyway, right? And, yeah. I can do that, I suppose.
Just, pop your arms up. Just on the keyboard. See if you can imagine someone's got a string through your
Straighten
head.
up like,
Yeah,
oh.
that. Oh, yeah, oh, man. Okay, now actually, when you're sitting like that, you are looking fractionally too high because the angle of your forearm is heading up. So I would just hop off the stool. Just move it. That. Let's try that.
Oh. Still got the problem with the knee there, but
Yeah, but you've wiggled slightly closer.
have I?
Yep.
So it doesn't-
And think of again, strain.
Oh, ab muscles. Right.
Ab muscles. Pop your hands up again. Yeah, that's better. Okay, let's try that. Let's try that. That's looking better. Yeah, as long as you don't bring your shoulders up too
Yeah, I raised my shoulders a little bit.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, so let's just do the one with the third finger doing the scale. Or the second finger, doesn't matter. So you're just gonna Okay, now can you do that all on one finger?
Can you move? Oh, you don't want to use an alternative fingers, just like your one finger at a time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if you use fingers like that,
Yeah.
you can keep it smooth. You don't need the pedal.
Oh, right.
Well, unless you want it for a particular effect.
Right.
If you do that, there's no way you're going to get that smooth.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Right.
Yep.
Okay. Right. So that makes sense. Right. So that's why you do
Just
that.
looking at your foot up there. Okay, not bad. Let's
Just
try
lift that one there, then.
it slightly slower. So try that again. So 1, 2,
Down.
3. 1, 2, 3. Hang on, I'll throw the wee. Here's one I prepared earlier. Hey. So just following your pattern.
Right.
So
So
you go play note, foot down,
2,
move, and then
3.
yep, foot down.
1,
2.
2.
Okay, you're counting with the coordination slightly off, but your foot wasn't too bad.
Okay. So hang on.
So you're going to
So
go
you gotta go
1, 2,
2,
move on 3, and then
3.
1.
Oh, so 3 don't do anything. Oh, the move. Right. Okay. I'm
Yeah,
with that,
3,
okay.
3 move.
Right.
Yep.
So you go 1,
1, 2,
2,
3.
3.
Oh, move on 3. So that's 1.
Okay.
I'll put that diagram up just so folks can see. Let's do that one more time. So you're going to go play on 1,
1,
foot down on 2, move on 3.
yeah,
Up with your foot, down with your finger.
1,
1, foot down,
2,
move on 3.
3,
Up,
1,
foot down,
2,
move on 3.
3,
1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
go.
1,
2,
2,
3.
2, 2, 3, 1, 2,
2,
3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3,
Good. That's better.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2,
Yep.
3, 1, 2, 3, 1,
Good.
2,
Yep, that's better.
3.
And what I especially liked was that you weren't doing two things. You weren't doing, this is your foot. You weren't coming right off the pedal.
Right.
So you stayed,
Oh, the knee being one under the cover.
Yeah, you stayed connected. And because of that, we weren't getting extra sound from your foot tapping on the pedal.
Yeah.
Yep.
Actually, the shoes make it higher. Actually, it was easier with bare feet or just socks because the knees. So the shoes add an extra inch or so. Probably.
Yeah, interesting.
Well, half an inch anyway.
Yep. You have got some other shoes that you could do, which are a bit lower, perhaps.
No, not
trying
really.
that. Not really. Okay. Well, for that we're going to have
try my clogs, I suppose. But they're a bit
the Crocs.
The Crocs, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're not as
they're not as
I did try them earlier for
firm
practice.
on
They're
your
not as
foot
firm,
as that. Yeah.
So they move around a bit.
Okay, so you're going to have to think carefully of where you're sitting and how high your stool is. So yeah, you want your knee not to be caught under there.
Maybe just raise your chin up a bit. Actually, that wouldn't solve the problem with the keys. The pedal would just move up with it.
Yes, yes, and you'd have to raise your foot up a bit higher.
Yeah, okay, so that's not going to work.
Just try that again. Let's check our time. It's all right, cool. So, yep, possibly just have your foot back a tiny smidge.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and just try putting that down again. Yeah, go into pedal cam.
So,
Top one up there. Yep. Cool. So if you're just looking at that.
Oh,
Yep. Yeah. So you don't want this part of your foot being right up.
the toe, you mean?
Yeah, right up. You know, too close. I mean, obviously.
Okay.
Yeah, because then it's going to get in the way.
Right.
Having said that, you still want to try and be on the ball of your foot when you're doing the pedal. So you don't want to be kind of gripping with your toes.
Yeah. That's actually quite good there, actually. It feels as though it's on
feels
the ball
all
of the foot, yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good. You're doing the right stuff. You're not, your angle of your leg's good. You're not doing, lifting your...
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
I haven't got any room to do that.
Yeah, no. You're not doing that. You're not doing lifting your whole leg, which is, again, problematic because you couldn't anyway.
Yeah.
And you're keeping connected on the pedal. So, yeah, that prevents two things. That prevents bringing the pedal up too fast and making a bit of a clunk.
Yep.
And also, if you take your foot right off the pedal, you get that. Try that. Just do a tap, 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 tap.
Yeah. That bit there, you mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get that as well, which isn't ideal.
Yeah, I was doing that earlier in the week in the practice. I was trying to work on getting that right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could possibly come up a tiny smidgen. I'm just sort of thinking of where the ball of your foot is. So you could
It's come up. What do you mean?
wriggle your foot forward slightly.
Oh, okay. So move forward a bit,
just, and back slightly. It was just sort of in the middle. How's that?
Well, it seems to work. So.
Seems to work.
Yeah. Well, the fin is in the thigh here.
Try not to have your toes lifted like that. So you want them flat. Not that I can see particularly clearly in your shoes, but you don't want to be.
Don't want to be lifting the toes like that every time.
Yeah. You don't want to be doing.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, I was doing that during the week as well. So.
Yep.
Yeah, I corrected that problem.
Yep. Cool.
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. We'll have to leave it there.
Okay.
There was an entire lesson where you didn't play a piece.